Whoa! Oh, this is the stuff we didn't have time to look at last week.
Soorian is losing his mind. That happened so fast, nobody saw it.
Oh, we're going to have to do that in slow motion. There's a clip for you.
Sorry. No, he warned me about that, and I was so careful getting it out, and then I've just been a maniac.
Right.
I won't say what happened because you would have missed it.
That's a really nice finish. I reckon that's the smoothest
It's
color.
Japanese.
The color. Is that color shift or we didn't know?
It's definitely not finish.
Is that color shift?
It's
not color shift, is it?
Japanese. It is definitely color shift. Definitely color shift. We are looking at a 1/10 scale Yokomo Drifter. This is Soorian's. Soorian sent us two. And I wanted to get this one out because this is the Yokomo Primo. And I actually sold the last limited edition one this morning.
Oh, did you?
So the MD 2.0. Somebody came in from Tasmania.
Right.
And they demanded the best. And I gave it to them.
Well, that is definitely the best, isn't it?
I gave it to them.
There's no mistake in that.
They got an MD 2.0 red version.
I want to know how Suze did this because this is color shift blended into a blue.
Into a blue?
Yeah.
Well, this is a replica of a real car. There is a real car that looks exactly like this.
Yeah, it looks great. He's done a really good job.
Doesn't it? And the body's not one piece like the stuff that we race with.
Yeah, well, that's how you get all the undercuts and stuff.
Replica. That's why it's got like missing, because it's exactly what the real car looks like.
Right. Very decent, isn't it?
It is very, very decent.
Look at all the decals on it. All custom printed.
K13, S13. Jeez, I've forgotten what the S13 silver.
Where'd the K come from?
Because the K series. So they have a Jack, King, and Queen. And the King, the K series, was a 2-litre SR20 DET.
Oh, was it?
And the Queen was a 2-litre non-turbo. And the Jack, the J series, was a 1.8 litre.
All right.
That's where the K, but it's an S13, Nissan Silvia. These are really popular here in Melbourne in the mid to late 90s.
They were everywhere.
My wife even had one.
Oh, really? So look at the suspension setup on a drift car.
Soft.
Very different, right?
Supple.
Because there's very little traction on these, you need as much movement as you can.
I'd say the tyres have gone off.
I don't think so. I think they're good ones.
They're plastic tyres, aren't they? And I don't know enough about them, but they're plastic tyres. These are Works Automotive wheels. You know how the Sweep are doing these?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are obviously a drift version.
Right.
Now take the body off. Let's pop the hood and have a look in there.
How do I do this?
Is
it magneted?
Where's the body clips?
There are no body clips.
No, there is no.
Is it magneted?
Just be careful with the mirrors.
You mean mirror?
Soorian warned me that they fall. No, you just be careful because you're prone to breaking things. Soorian stuff.
How does this work? How'd you do that? How'd you do that?
It's got magnets, Beige.
Is it?
And it's got magnet. It's got a light kit.
Oh.
And it's got a magnetic dongle. See?
To plug
it's
into
got
there.
Full flashy LEDs. I've seen it. It goes all the flashy colours. Have a look. Go on the overhead.
What do you mean? Which bit flashes?
Jump to overhead. What do you mean? Which bit? The LED bits.
What do you mean?
Look.
Where?
So it's got magnetic body mounts.
Yeah.
Then he's wired it up, and there's a magnetic plug, which is really cool. I like that idea because they're a pain to plug and unplug when you're doing that all the time. We've got magnetic mount here.
Yep.
And we've got LEDs front and in the lens.
Oh.
In the rear.
Oh,
there you go. Well, he's a craftsman, this fellow.
All right, so there you go.
Body does have 2 mirrors on intact, just saying.
Right.
What are you looking at?
That's all carbon.
Look at that. That is Yokomo blue. It is very different from Tamiya TRF blue. It is Yokomo blue. It's like a royal blue. I don't know how they do it, but it's a beautiful blue. Absolutely phenomenal. This is a top shelf limited edition MD 2.0 blue version, funnily enough.
Blue version.
You won't find a whole heap of plastic in this kit. This is all carbon fiber and alloy, isn't it? CNC machined billet alloy. And if it's not CNC billet machined alloy, it is bloody carbon fiber and a beautiful carbon fiber as well. Carbon arms, which just baffles me, but it's obviously good for looks because because we've got this on the latest MS 1.0 touring car, obviously. Yep. And the suspension arms are like suspended. They're hung on.
That's right.
Very much the same style as the MS. They've got the 5mm balls that they go clunk and they go on with the clip. Really, really cool. We've got the speed controller at the back here. And this is using Futaba stuff. And for Soorian is going to yell at me, but it's got a Futaba servo, a CB7CT, CB for a little one. 700, top of the line digital servo. It's got a Futaba gyro. And do you know why he put Futaba stuff on there?
Why?
Because you can tune it from your 10PX.
Oh.
So you can tune the gyro, you can tune the servo, and it's got a Futaba ESC. Again, fully programmable and tunable from your transmitter. That's the cutest little cough you've got there.
I'm going to need a drink.
What's happened?
I don't know. I'll be back.
You got your phone. Don't have my phone while you're out there. I'm keeping an eye on that. So we've got the MD 2.0, and I love this project. I think this is so nice, guys. Really, really nice. If you are into drifting and you love the best and demand the prettiest looking stuff, Yokomo MD 2.0 won't disappoint. Full adjustability, roll centers, cambers. Have a look at the steering angle. Like, it doesn't even look humanly possible. There you go. Beautiful full, like 90-degree lock, beautiful steering rack, very little play in the front end, remote servo linkage, really, really good weight bias, and adjustable flex characteristics in the chassis. This one here is powered by it's got the Hobby Wing D10, so drift motor in there, 10.5 turn. Really, really good. I have not played with it, and I do not know how to drift, so you won't see me getting involved with that. But yeah,
you know how to drift, just badly.
Badly, that's right. That's right. When I should be going straight, I'm drifting sideways. Thank you, TFG, for bringing that up. But yeah, so really, I really love this car. I'm going to do more work with it in a full-blown video and compare it to the MD 1.0, and we're going to have a look at some gyro settings and stuff like that. But yeah, MD2, blue version. This is Soorian's, and take a look. This is absolutely masterpiece. I've got to get this in the studio and get some really, really nice shots of it. I love it. Thank you, Soorian, for that. And I'm sure he's yelling at me and writing a lot of comments that I don't know because I just don't know much about it. But it is bloody beautiful, and I love it, and I really appreciate the hut.
That's a tasty fur you got out there.
You keep your little grubby mitts out of my phone. I got it to celebrate the shaving of the moustache.
But I didn't use my hands.
You don't. Just go face first.
That's right.
Face first into the phone. Those little noodles are slippery, mate.
Aren't they? That's
right.
In,
you get in there.
Yeah, you got to do the shovel.
The shovel.
Shovel method. I think I'm 80% better.
Well, that's okay. I'll be the other 20%.
All right, excellent.
I love it.
Cool, isn't it?
Thank you, Soorian. And yeah, look out for...
It's got the Japanese plates on it.
And it's got the handle too, the tram handle. I forget what they call that. But
what's it got in there?
What?
Mito 301.
Look at the exhaust pipe. Everything. Lots of details. But I'll get this on the spinny thing, and I've got to get some proper content. It's got to go.